Hi everybody, it's Kevin Pacifica here from the Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Pickle, Ohio. Here we have a granite gray 2022 Chrysler Pacifica VMI side entry mobility van. This does have heated leather seats, heated steering wheel. It also has the adaptive cruise control, lane departure, forward collision warning, and pedestrian emergency braking. And again, this does have the side entry mobility van. You just simply hit that unlock button. In the side entry mobility ramp, as you see, the van also lowers a little bit, so it's not as steep a grade to put the wheelchair in. It does have Q-strings to secure the wheelchair to the floor of the van. There's also a 3-passenger bench in the back. Kind of give you an angle of all the dash and everything in the van. All the controls. You also have the controls up top here to open up the rear hatch, which is also powered, also both sliding doors. So let's get out of here. We'll hit the button, which again retracts. And you can see the van goes back up again. There are some scratches on the undercarriage here. There's also, I thought that was a scratch, but that's not. Again, this does have a power rear tailgate. The seats do lay down if you need to. I forgot to mention also the floor on this is actually a rubber floor, so it's easier to get in, out, keep clean, slide the wheelchair in and out. And of course, it does have the rear power hatch as we spoken about, so it goes up and down. This does also have your rear backup sensors and also the rear backup camera. Very pretty. I always like this granite gray. It has a nice metallic in it. Just a cool color. There again is your rubber floor. It's got your Q-strings tie down. You can put them in different slots. You do have some charging ports back here also in the back of the seats. It does have a power seat. Of course, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, 2-position memory. Just a nice setup. We do offer competitive financing on this van. We also specialize in mobility vans. We accept trade-ins of all makes and models. Again, my name is Kevin Pacifica from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Conversion Vans in beautiful Pickle, Ohio. Please reach out to me personally. My number is 937-778-0830. And please visit us at Paul Sherry Conversion Vans, where you'll find this van along with 50 pictures of all our vans and videos. Again, thanks for the opportunity, and as always, have a wonderful day. Bye now.